If you want to enable and set up mobile hotspot on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, first we need to go to settings. There we go. Now in here, in settings, you want to go to network and internet. And then here, you should be able to find hotspot and tethering. And here we have the Wi-Fi hotspot, which we can easily enable or disable just by tapping on this switcher over here. Now we can go to the Wi-Fi hotspot in order to set it up. So for example, we can find the hotspot name, which we can customize. We can also find the hotspot password, which we can change. There we go. And besides that, we have the speed and compatibility. So you can, for example, switch the frequency to 5 GHz. You can also enable Wi-Fi 6 hotspot. There is also the hide my device option, which allows you to hide the hotspot. So for example, you can connect it only by using the Wi-Fi QR code. And some other options in here. And if you want to get the QR code, first the Wi-Fi hotspot must be enabled, and then right next to the hotspot name here we have the QR code icon, which generates the QR code for the hotspot. Besides that, the hotspot can be enabled and disabled by using the hotspot button in the control center, so you should be able to find it in your control center over here. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.